Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your email account to your WhatsApp in order to have another layer of security validation, especially when you change devices and all, and when they have to do security validation. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. Okay, so in order to protect privacy, this video instead of a live method, I am doing it in the screenshot method. So like if you go on your home page and tap on three dots or towards right hand side top, you will get the option of settings. As you can see, you tap here and then you're going to tap on account. That's the first one. Here if you see third from the top is email address, you get this message. Okay, and then you're going to tap add email at the bottom. Then it's like, because it's an Android device, so it was showing me the email account that are added in this account already as an option. You can select one or you can tap on use different email. Then whichever email you select, or if you add another email, it's gonna send a 6-digit code to it. You'll get an email. You have to put that code here, and if it's match, then it's verified. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.